Good morning everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn with Randy. So today we have here the car remote key. So I will show you how to replace the battery of Toyota car key remote. Okay, so this type of key applies for all the latest model 2023, 22 and 21. So I will show you how to replace the battery and how to check also if the battery is weak or not. Okay, so we will open now the remote key. Let me show you how to open it. So basically here at the tip or where you hang the keychain, you have here a small slot, okay, big enough to use the screwdriver, flat screwdriver. So here where there is a logo or the icon of Toyota, on this side you have here this slot where you enter the tip of the screwdriver and flip it out. Okay, so it's just a cover. Flip it out, and then you see here there is a slot for the screwdriver. I mention here plus. So we'll turn it and then flip it like this. Okay, so now we have managed to remove it. Basically it has this rubber seal or o-ring seal for water protection, so make sure this is well intact, not broken. This is to protect the penetration of water to inside your battery. Okay, so after removal of the cover, we will use a small flat screwdriver, okay, to okay, so using a smaller flat screwdriver to use to remove the battery inside. So as you see here, there is a clip. Okay, insert the battery here at the corner and flip it like this. Make it gently. Okay, so as you see here, this side of the battery is the positive and this side is the negative. So it needs to be fixed this way, where the positive is on top and the negative is below. Okay, so let me show you how to check the battery voltage using the voltmeter. So using your multimeter to check the battery. So as I said, this is positive and the other side is negative. So to check the battery, put it this way, where the positive will touch the positive probe, and the setting of your multimeter is on DC voltage, and then you have to do this way. So as you see here, the battery is discharged. If a good battery, it will read as 3.5 volt. Okay, 3.5 volt. So get a new battery and then replace it. Okay, so we'll open a new battery and then we will going to change it. So for this particular model, the model of the battery is Panasonic CR1620. Panasonic CR1620. So it doesn't matter any brand, even if it's not Panasonic. Some that shows industrial. Just purchased a model battery CR Charlie Rafael 1620 3 volt. Okay, so having your new battery, you have to fix it inside the negative, this, and outside is the positive. So we insert it this way, like this. Okay, so now it fits inside. Make sure it is properly locked, so it will have a good contact inside the conductor. And then you have to fix back the cover. Again, make sure that the o-ring seal is okay, so that it will have a good sealing in case of moisture, or moisture will enter inside your remote if the rubber seal or the o-ring is not proper. Okay, so using your flat screwdriver, you have to push and then twist. Okay, you see it is flushing properly. And then you can put now the cover. Okay, so this is how to replace the Toyota latest model remote key. So it applies for 2022, 23, 21, and I think with having the same shape of Toyota remote key. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and you can share it as well, so others will learn how to replace the Toyota remote key battery. You don't have to spend more or waste your time going to the finding a key shop or car repair shop to replace the faulty battery. Furthermore, you will notice if your car battery is or your car remote key battery weak, if you are a bit distance from your car and the remote lock and unlock is not working, then if you come near to your car and you press the lock and unlock, it works, it's a sign that your battery, the remote battery, is weak. So before it fails, make sure to head to the nearest petrol station or battery shop where you can buy this type of remote key. Okay, so thank you for watching, and good day and God bless everyone. Bye for now.